welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making some Halloween ghosts. Ooh, I'm so scary. So what we're going to be using is we're going to be using some old cotton sheet, some balloons, and I've also got some googly eyes as well. But if you don't have googly eyes, that's not a problem because I'm doing two sorts. So I've cut my sheet up, I've cut some little eyes out for the ghosty. I've my balloons up now, and this is the size that I want them. And I've also got some pieces of PVC drain pipe that I'm going to actually attach them to, like so, to prop them up for when they're curing. Now, you don't have to use PVC drain pipe. To be honest, you could use the insides of kitchen foil, cling film, those little tubes, or anything that you want. I've just got these at hand, so I thought I'd use them. And I am going to sellotape the balloons to them as well, so they're at a decent height. So they're both prepared now and ready, and I will just stand them up like so, and then drape the actual cloth over that once I've soaked it in resin. I've cut the cloth so it's 30 inches by 40 inches, which is 76 centimeters by 101 centimeters. And what I will do is, once I have that actually coated in resin, and I'm going to show you how I do that, I will just drape those cloths over the actual balloons like so, and let it cure. Resin mixed up, and now what I need to do is I need to soak my cloth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of resin in the bottom of this pot. I could have done with a bigger pot, to be perfectly honest, but this is the only one that I've got that I'm allowed to use. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop my cloth in there like so, and then pour a bit more in it, and then just wishy-wash it around until it's all completely coated. Now, I am not going to profess in any way, shape or form that this isn't going to be messy, because it is. So I've got my cloths now, and they're all quite saturated, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to open them up and pop them over the balloons. Now, these balloons I have already give a quick spray of release spray to ensure that the resin cloth doesn't stick to them and won't come off. Okay, so there we go. So that's the one with the eyes where I've cut them out. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to ensure that that's falling kind of how I want it to fall. And this one is shorter than the other one, so this one is going to overlap and look like it's on the floor, but it doesn't matter. These have cured now, as you can see. They're not going anywhere. They're completely hard. So now it's going to be the fun bit, is going to be taking the balloon out. So I'm hoping it's going to come out quite easy. It may have to be popped. It's coming off the balloon okay, and I think part of that is to do with the fact that I did spray it with mold release. Yeah, there we go. So that's come out okay. This is one without the eyes. I'm quite looking forward to the googly-eyed one. And these are self-adhesive googly eyes, which is great. So they will stick. I'm going to put my hand up inside the ghosty to stick that on. There we go. So there's one without eyes and there's one with googly eyes. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see me making other great experiments. I really like those. I think they're cute. So there we go. That's the one without. I think the one with the googly eyes works really, really well. And as you can see, they do look like they're floating. And as I said, you could suspend them in the air like so. In fact, I might do that. Hang on a sec. And the good thing about the one on the cord is he will swing around. He's moving, so he's floating and moving, and you can't see the cord. I think they've come out really well. I think they make great Halloween decorations. They're not expensive at all, and they were fun to make. And it just goes to show what you can do with... Oh, look, he's dancing. Ha, 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 ha. Stand alive, stand alive. Ah, 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 ah. Stand alive. Well, he's obviously not staying alive because he's a ghost. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. There's lots more coming up. I've got loads of projects at the moment on the go. And also, please leave me a comment and hit that like button. It really does help my channel to get out there. Click on the video that's coming up next. I think you'll really enjoy that as well. It's a great one on how to make a Halloween bowl. Take care. Bye.